I'm excited about our Guaranteed Offer program. At Shannon Rollings Real Estate, we have always worked hard to get our clients top dollar. However, we realize sometimes getting top dollar is not always our client's priority. Instead, it might be getting the home sold quickly with as little hassle as possible. Let's face it, going through the traditional listing program can be a little overwhelming. In order to get top dollar, you have to prepare your home to sell. You have to prepare for several showings. You have to host a couple open houses probably. And then when you get offers, you got to negotiate through the offers. And once you get a contract, then you have to get through the home inspection process. You have to negotiate through repairs. You have to make the repairs. And then you have to get through the appraisal process as well and hope that nothing falls apart before you get to the closing table. Sometimes all of that can be a little overwhelming, especially for a dual career family with children. This is another option, our Guaranteed Offer program. For more information, give me a call, send me an email, or check out our website.